Ever thought, I'll just grab this image or music? It's on the internet, so it must be free, right? Well, think again. What might seem like an innocent shortcut could cost you big time. Let's break down copyright laws so you can protect your channel and content creation dreams. The big picture content creation is booming, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or another platform. But one misstep with copyrighted material could bring your creative journey to a screeching halt. From images and videos to music, every piece of work out there likely has an owner. And no, a simple credit given doesn't always save you. What is copyright? Copyright is a legal framework designed to protect creators of original works, whether they're musicians, filmmakers, photographers, or artists. When someone owns copyright, they hold exclusive rights to reproduce, distribute, and profit from their work. Using it without permission. That's infringement, and it's illegal in the US and most other countries. What happens if you infringe? Let's make this real. Imagine pouring years into growing your channel only to receive a takedown notice or, worse, a lawsuit. The original creator can demand removal, sue for damages, or even claim revenue from your videos. Recently, users of Suno AI-generated music on YouTube face claims, proving even AI-generated content isn't immune to AIM. The professional approach, if you're serious about content creation, pay for licenses. Many platforms like Epidemic Sound or Artlist offer music and images with proper licenses for use. But always read the terms of the license. Are you covered for commercial use? Can you monetize the content? Never assume. Use free resources wisely. YouTube itself offers a library of free music. It's a great option for beginners or those on a budget. Double-check AI tools. If you use AI-generated music or images, verify ownership. Without clear usage rights, you could face copyright claims. What about fair use? Fair use allows limited use of copyrighted material for purposes like commentary, criticism, or education. But here's the catch. It's a gray area. The courts ultimately decide what qualifies as fair use. To stay safe, use only what's necessary and add significant original value. A real-life warning, you might think. No one will notice my small channel, but copyright owners actively scan platforms using tools like YouTube's Content ID. Skipping licenses now could cost you a lot later, your time, reputation, and money. Stay smart, stay creative. So, what's the takeaway? Protect your content like a pro. Pay for the right licenses, reusage terms, and use YouTube's free tools when needed. Remember, creating content is about building something that's entirely yours, and there's nothing better than success you can truly own. Don't forget, this information is not legal advice, but a basic guide to understanding copyright. Every country has its own copyright laws, so it's crucial to know what applies to you. And if someone tells you not to worry about it or says it's unimportant, they're likely not giving you the whole truth. Always do your own research and, if needed, consult a specialized lawyer for advice. Respecting copyright isn't just about avoiding trouble. It's about creating with integrity. Let's keep building your creative empire legally and safely. Subscribe and let's make content the right way here on BizBite.